first lesson. Here we go. Now I played that in what we call bar chords, which means my finger goes across the frets, which are those little metal things, which allows me to change the key. Okay, so what we're going to do is, it's a lot harder to play bar chords where your actual fingers going across, and that actually takes some time to have that confidence, okay, to do that. But that's okay, that's what these things are for. So you'll go, and you don't even need this, but just so you hear the same key, if you listen to this, what this thing does is this. If I go, you can hear that sound. I can play it in a lot easier finger positions, which is what I'm going to teach you, by just going like this. Just two across from there, hear the same sound. So you can hear that same sound, but rather than me doing all this fancy bit with my thumb moving along and my big finger barring, I can just use these little notes here. So I can play the same tune, but what we're calling just finger, and I'm just going to go, and I'll explain to you what we're going to do. So it just sounds like this. You can hear the same chorus. Okay, so here's what we're going to do, mate. First lesson. What I want you to do is you're going to put this finger on the second string in the first fret. Okay, so we'll call this fret 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So that finger there goes there, yeah, on the second string. Then this finger here is going to go on the third one down from the top, and this one goes on the second one down from the top. Okay, now that's what we call a C shape. So we're just going to go. And you can hear that, and that's all we're doing, okay? And then you pick up the pattern in a second, but okay, so it's a C shape. I'll send you a booklet with this shape on it. Now the next note, although I would normally go bar like that, or even go fingers like that, all you're going to do is from there, you're going to just bring these two fingers down one string each. So you can hear that difference? You go, okay, so you just bring it down from there to there. Really simple move. The little finger does not move. So we go from there to there. Okay, then the next note is we're going to keep that finger down, does not move, and we're going to go, that finger goes onto the third one down in the second fret, and then this finger here moves across to the fourth one down in the second fret. It's called an A minor shape. Okay, so I've gone from there, and then there, and then from there this guy doesn't move again, and these two go to the very top. So number 2 there, and the very top one there. Now where I would probably do a full G like that, you can hear that sound, or even there you can hear the same sound again, all we're going to do is fingers on the top. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can hear that sound. So all you're doing is moving these two fingers, alright? And you can hear the same sound as I was playing before. So that guy does not move. Second, chuck it down. This guy's here. 1, 2, bang, hit it down. Next note, they drop down one string each. Next note, they go across and they hit those two there. And for the last one, you bring them back up to those two there. So you're just going to practice that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you put the strum into it, which we'll do once you get rock these fingers down, it's just a... And there's your 4 notes. That's the chorus of the song, okay? And that's what I want you to practice. And you can hear, I'll do it in the tricky way, which is how it would sound on the record, which would just be... You can hear it's bassier, but it's the same sound. And then we'll do the bridge later on, but that's what I want you to practice. Now I can still play what you played without this fancy thing, which is what you're going to do, which is again here. Hear the same sound. Practice. Boom, 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 boom. And then we'll move on to the chorus and the bridge next lesson.